5 minutes hack on how to create thumbnail on CapCut. Free CapCut. I was able to create eye-catching thumbnail on CapCut, just like this one you are seeing here. So just stay with me, let me show you just 5 minutes hack how I used to create eye-catching thumbnail on free CapCut. A new project on your CapCut app. Select a plain background that you'll be using as a background for your thumbnail. Then import it to CapCut. The next thing we'll be doing is overlay. You pick a picture of yourself or whatever image you want to use on the thumbnail. Then once you import the image as an overlay, you have to remove the background of that image using background remover on CapCut. You click on background remover, then remove the background of the image. After removing it, you have to resize your image. Do you want it big? Do you want it small? You have to pinch it in to go inside and pinch it out if you want it bigger. Position your image where you want it to be. I position mine at the right because I'm trying to point at something on the other hand. So you have to position. The next thing, you have to overlay again your another image of your choice. And since I'm talking about a CapCut, I'm using a CapCut image to overlay again. Then I'm going to edit this CapCut logo. I don't want the white part to be showing. I have to edit it and make it darker to remove the white part of this particular image. The next thing we'll be doing again is text. We are going to add text to this image. Whatever you want to say on your thumbnail, that is what you are using your text for. You add text, you choose the font you want for the text, you choose the style or the effects that you want for your text. Look for fonts that best suits you. Scroll up and down, look for a particular font that you like, pick that font, change the style of the text. Whatever color you want, you have to change the style of that text. Then I'm done with this. I'm writing another text again because I want it to be thumbnail tutorial. Write another text and I'm going to continue the same procedure I did on the other one. Select a font that I want, a font that best suits what I'm trying to tell you all. Then the next thing, I'm going to change the style of that text. I'm going to change the style of the text. I want my text to be in yellow color and the background should be in black. So you click on text and look for the colors you want on your text. Then after clicking on text, you go to background and click on the color you want for your background. You can see how beautiful it is. This is how you get your text on your thumbnail. So the next thing I'll be doing is to align my text, make it look good and straight, make it align with my other image on the thumbnail. The logo, I'll make sure the text and the everything align together, make it look good. If you want to increase your text, you can just zoom out to increase it. If you want to reduce your text, you can zoom in to reduce it. Then after adjusting and aligning your text, you move to your picture, the picture you used on your thumbnail. Adjust it, make it look fine. Make sure if you want it bigger, increase it. If you want it smaller, if you want it to go backward or forward, you can adjust it. I also want to add a YouTube logo to this thumbnail, so I have to overlay my YouTube logo, adjust it to my desired size. I want it smaller, then I'll reduce it, take it inward to reduce it. So the next thing is going to layer. We are going to layer this in. So this thumbnail is going to be at the back of the image. This is exactly what I did. Layer it and to go backward of the image. I want to remove that white triangle on the YouTube logo. The thing I will do is to click on splice. After I click on splice, it's going to bring out an interface. I'm going to choose darken. It's going to remove that white. You can see that white is no more there. I'm going to remove that because that's exactly how I want my YouTube logo to look like. Then at this point, I think we are almost done with our YouTube thumbnail. So the next thing I'll be doing is editing the picture on this thumbnail. I want the skin tone to be a little bit darker and it should be very sharp compared to what is on the screen currently. You can see how it is. I'm going to go to adjust, then try to edit it using those tools there, the contrast, the brightness, the sharpness, and saturation. I'm going to use those tools to adjust my image to make it look the way I want it to look, the way I have pictured it in my mind. So it's going to blend very well with the background. So at this point, I'm done with my thumbnail. I'm done with my thumbnail. I'm going to screenshot it and crop it to 16 by 9